For future CIOs working, with family offices, maybe single, maybe multiple, maybe even institutional, like what could someone do today to prepare their path for future CIO 5, 10 years from now?
It's really challenging. And I just had a call earlier today with somebody who works at a great firm and really smart, and they want to get into this space. Unfortunately, the trend recently has been hyper specialization of financial and professional services. And by that, I mean, a lot of these firms have become so niche and so idiosyncratic into one area that it's very easy to get pigeonholed into one specific space. So you could be a lower middle market private equity, co-GB, credit investor. Well, that's great until that's no longer in vogue. And families are unless that's going to be their specific rifle shot approach where they think they can create alpha and outperform, they generally want a generalist, right? Somebody that has exposure across all the facets of wealth management, asset management, and investments, knows enough about all these different food groups and product types that they can rotate through cycles, that they can be able to digest deal flow and really be able to pick and choose where they want to take risk and where they want to allocate risk capital. It's very hard to do in today's world. So if somebody ultimately wants to be in that role, I think some of the institutional firms have great educational spaces in terms of cutting your teeth, doing investment banking, working at a large multi-strat hedge fund, great places to be. But you want to be able to speak confidently and intelligently about different asset classes and food groups and investment structures and styles. So the ability to do that requires, unfortunately, just a lot of experience. So doing some time at some of these larger institutional firms so you know what great looks like, and then working underneath a really good investment team within the family office structure where you can access that Rolodex of relationships and start participating alongside other families and be able to pick up the phone and have them respond or call you back is really what families are looking for now.